For that 90-90 hip lift, we're going to be working on your breathing mechanics, and we're going to do that in a specific posture or position for your spine. To get set up, you're going to want to be near a wall with your feet on the wall. You could also have your heels be resting on a surface like a chair or a couch. Those two options would work equally well. And then try to get a small pillow underneath your head just to bring your airway into a little bit more neutral position. And then make sure you have a block or some sort of like balled up towel or pillow to be able to put between your thighs in just a moment, okay? But actually the beginning of this is just to get a feel for the tilt in your pelvis. We're gonna want to work within a little bit of a posterior pelvic tilt or a curling of your tailbone. The key here is that you create that curl from your hamstring. So your feet will be heavy against the wall and pulling down on the wall. Your abs and your belly will be soft. So go ahead and just feel. Do you have a jelly belly? And do you feel active hamstrings on the back of your thighs? Okay? And then feel that when you let those hamstrings go and you relax, your hip actually rolls away from you and comes out of the lift. Okay? So just practicing that a few times to make sure that that's clear. The rest of your back is flat on the ground. You find that jelly belly position while your hamstrings have tilted your pelvis. Okay, so once you've found that position, then the second component, probably the first drill we'll really put in your program, will be just working on maximal expansive breathing from that position. So set up, tailbone's curled, hamstrings are active with the feet pulling down on the wall, the belly is soft, and then begin breathing in as low into your pelvis as you can, really trying to aim the air down to the bottom of your torso. And then let that expansion fill up the sides of your waist, the sides of your ribs, up into your chest, and even feeling air go into your upper back. And then just relax to let that air out while keeping your hamstrings active. Okay? So you might work on that for a series of breaths, maybe 5 to 10 breaths, or for time, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, of just feeling relaxed, expansion, and relaxation in that inhale and exhale. Okay. The third progression, which we might also include in your program, will be incorporating some active contraction now through your midsection. So again, you'd start from a relaxed position with the hips totally chill. You'd curl that tailbone under to feel your hamstrings. And then here's where you'd want to add that block right between your thighs and find a little bit of a squeeze with your thighs. So your inner thigh muscles turn on at whatever setting of the block that feels best for you. And then once you're in this position, you'll take a nice deep inhale, again trying to expand in a 360-degree direction around your spine. And then as you blow the air out, pretend you're blowing out birthday candles that are way out in front of you. So you're really pushing that air out of you, and keep pushing that air until you feel there is no more air in your body. You'll notice contraction happening around your midsection, and you'll hold that for a 4 count. Okay? Once that count is done, you'll relax. You could either reset your pelvis or hold this position and continue. Full inhale and a strong exhale with hold. Good. Again, we might indicate a number of repetitions or just a time spent doing this. And then when you're all done, you can let it go. Let us know any questions about this setup, as it can be pretty detailed and finicky, so just be in touch.